are installing software or creating an online account, you must have seen the lengthy infamous terms and conditions. Did you ever read it? I believe not. It's because you don't have time to read such long paragraphs. You always think it would have been better if it had been simplified. Don't worry, there is an online tool called tosdr.org. It will provide ratings for the terms and privacy policies and will also provide you with an overview of some of the main points that we need to look at into. Let me show you. Open tosdr.org and type your favorite software that you are using. I will type Canva. There is no grade given yet, but you can read terms and conditions point-wise. Now I will check for LinkedIn that all professionals use. You see here the privacy grade is E. You can also read the terms and conditions point-wise. But the main important points are in red that you must look into. Now let's check the privacy grade for Google Chrome and Brave browsers. Did you see Brave is better than Google Chrome in terms of privacy? Let's check for search engines Google and DuckDuckGo. Here, DuckDuckGo wins. I would say, you must check your software and see the privacy grade. It will help you to understand how much information you are sharing with companies.